Let's face it, sales emails can feel like a battlefield. You spend ages crafting the perfect message only for it to vanish into the abyss of someone's already overflowing email box. But what if there was a secret weapon that you could use to write emails that break through the noise and actually convert? Enter Gemini, Google's AI assistant for workspace, ready to be your knight in shining armor, or should we say, shining cursor. Hi there, my name is Stephanie Lahart, and I teach business owners, entrepreneurs, and content creators how to turn their online conversations into real-world customers. If you like what you hear today, please check out my other videos on my channel for more marketing magic. And as a free gift for you, if you want to make your social media work for you, instead of just creating more work for you, download my social media strategy planner. This will help you to get a jump start on your social media strategy, and it'll save you tons of time. The link is in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Now, Gemini isn't some magic email genie that guarantees sales with a click, but it is a powerful tool that can supercharge your email game by helping you to overcome the biggest hurdles: writer's block, crafting compelling content, and personalizing your outreach. Here's how you can leverage Gemini's superpowers to write sales emails that resonate and get results. Conquering the blank page blues. Okay, we've all been there. You're staring at a blinking cursor. Your mind is just a wasteland of sales jargon and overused phrases. Gemini can be your brainstorming buddy. Instead of starting from scratch, give it a prompt like, write an introductory email to a potential client in the marketing industry. It'll generate a draft that might not be perfect, but it'll give you a solid foundation. And then from there, you can customize it with your unique selling points and a touch of your own voice. Crafting magnetic subject lines. The subject line is your first impression. It determines whether your email gets opened or relegated to the dreaded spam folder. Here's where Gemini shines again. Tell it, generate attention-grabbing subject lines for a sales email about a new productivity software. You'll get a list of options that pique curiosity and highlight the value that you offer. Think of it as brainstorming session on steroids. You'll get a diverse range of ideas to choose from, and from there you can customize it to your own needs. The art of persuasion, building value-driven content. Once you've lured your recipient in, the real work begins, convincing them why your product or service is the answer to their problems. But how do you avoid sounding like a used car salesman and establish yourself as a trusted advisor? Here, Gemini can help you craft a compelling narrative. Imagine you're selling a social media management tool. Instead of simply listing features, tell Gemini something like, write an email that explains how our social media management tool can help businesses save time and increase engagement. You'll get an email that focuses on the benefits. The time saved translates to more resources, and increased engagement leads to stronger customer relationships. Now that's a message with muscle. The power of personalization, from generic to genuine. A generic email addressed to Dear Sir or Madam is a surefire way to get ignored. But personalizing emails at scale can feel like a Herculean task. Here's where Gemini can be your secret weapon again. Let's say you're following up with a lead who downloaded your white paper on a marketing automation. You could prompt Gemini with a write a follow-up email to Sarah who downloaded our white paper on marketing automation. Briefly mention a key point from the paper and offer a free consultation. This simple prompt personalizes the email by acknowledging Sarah's specific interest and offering a valuable next step. It shows you've done your research and are genuinely interested in helping, not just making a quick sale. Beyond the basics, advanced techniques for sales email mastery. So far, we've covered the essentials, but Gemini has even more tricks up its sleeve. Here are some advanced techniques to elevate your sales email game. Craft a call to action that converts. Don't leave your recipient hanging. Tell Gemini, write a clear call to action for my email offering a free trial or our software. A strong call to action will tell readers exactly what you want them to do next, whether it's booking a demo or visiting your website. Refining your tone. Not sure if your email sounds too pushy or lacks confidence? Gemini can help you find the right balance. Ask it, Rewrite this email to sound more professional but still friendly. This ensures your message is clear, concise, and leaves a positive impression. A/B testing made easy. Want to see what kind of subject line resonates best with your audience? Tell Gemini, generate 5 subject line options for my email about customer service solutions, with emphasizing cost savings and others focusing on improved customer satisfaction. You can then test different versions to see which gets a higher open rate. Remember, you're still in charge. While Gemini can be a powerful tool, it's important to remember it's there to assist you, not replace you. So don't blindly accept everything it generates, and remember, the more specific instructions you give it, the better. Proofread your emails carefully, inject your own personality, and tailor the content to your specific audience. A final word: unlocking your sales potential with Gemini. Ultimately, Gemini is a tool that empowers you to write better, faster, and smarter. It streamlines the writing process and eliminates the writer's block and helps you craft your emails that are both informative and persuasive. But the real magic happens when you combine Gemini's capabilities with your own sales expertise. Here are some additional tips to leverage Gemini for maximum impact. Know your audience. Before you start crafting an email, take some time to understand your target audience. What are their pain points? What are their goals? Tailor your message to resonate with their specific needs. Focus on value proposition. Don't get bogged down in features. Explain how your product or service solves a problem for your customer. Use Gemini to help you articulate the value proposition in a clear and concise way. Data-driven decisions. Now track your email metrics. See which subject line gets the most opens and which call to actions generate the most clicks, and which emails convert leads into sales. Use this data to inform your future email campaigns and refine your Gemini prompts for even better results. The takeaway: sales emails are a crucial part of the sales process, but they can also be time-consuming and frustrating. By leveraging Gemini's AI capabilities, you can overcome common hurdles and write emails that get noticed, get read, and most importantly, get results. So ditch the writer's block and embrace the power of AI. You can watch your sales potential soar. Remember, Gemini is just one piece of the puzzle. For a truly successful sales email campaign, combine it with a strong understanding of your audience, a compelling value proposition, and data-driven decision-making. With this winning formula, you'll be crafting sales emails that convert like clockwork. So go forth and conquer those inboxes. I hope you found this helpful. Leave some comments and questions below, and don't forget to watch the other videos in my customer conversion series to help you with tips on how to build the business of your dreams. So that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.